everybody. Hold on for a second. Had to close the door. So right now I'm just doing a small little video, an unboxing video. And I don't know what it is. I had ordered a couple of things off of eBay. And I don't know what this one is, so I'm about to open it right now and see what did I get. So this is not going to be a long video. How are you guys doing? Today is Monday, February 11th. These days is going by pretty fast. Oh, I see. I got my eyelashes. I got some eyelashes. I've been liking wearing eyelashes lately. I don't got none on today. I forgot how much I paid for these, but they was inexpensive. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I got 10 pairs of eyelashes. I got a tested for HIV today because they have like a truck come over here in the program that I'm in, and they do testing, like TB testing, HIV, all types of stuff. But I couldn't do everything that they do because that's not my primary caretaker. So I did switch over to them. So next time they come around, I'll be able to get more things done. But, you know, I'm just checking up on my health and stuff like that. You know, you got to keep up with your health. So whenever you get a chance to get tested and all that. So I got my test and mine was negative. So, yeah, so what I got was some eyelashes. They look pretty good. I think I like how they look. And then I like the band. Like, it's not the little full black band. It's like a clear band. I like eyelashes like that. So, yeah, that's what I got today. I'm waiting for a couple more things. I brought stuff that was like very cheap off of eBay. I haven't brought anything off of eBay in a minute. So, yeah, that's all this video is about. It's an unboxing video. And I'll see you guys next time in my videos. Deuces. Oh, and I made a blog spot. So it was Blogger. I made a blog, so I'm going to put that in the link, the description down below. So go ahead and check that out. I need more content on there and stuff like that. What I'm going to do is like take pictures and things like that. And like get more into detail about what I feel about something going on, or our product reviews and stuff like that. Get more into detail. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Deuces. I'm in my program, so I don't want to be in here too long. Somebody might come in and be like, "What is she doing?" You know. So I've been in a good mood. Have a better mood now. I was kind of like mad this morning about something, but I'm like not gonna let that ruin my day. Plus I got my new California ID. I've been waiting for my California ID because I couldn't do some stuff without my ID. I got my ID today, so yeah, I could do some stuff. You know, get things done that I need to get done because it was holding me back. You know, so I'm happy. And my mood is happy today. So what is your mood today? Tell me what's your mood in the comments down below. Mine was mad, irritated this morning. Now I'm happy. So, and then I go see my probation officer today. So, yeah, and I'm about to upload this video right now because it's like almost 12 and I don't have to be there until 3. So, yeah. All right, you guys. Thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for more videos. All right. Again, deuces.